Oh no!
So, ayan, sige, try and try. Ayan, wonderful tonight. Go, go, go.
Oh, I'm wondering what clothes to wear. I put on my makeup and brushes my long dark hair, and then I ask him, do I look alright? And he said yes, I look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around this me. And then he asked me, do you feel alright? And I said yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head, so I give him the car keys, and helped me to bed, and then I tell him, I said turn out the light, say my darling, you were wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful tonight.
Yeah! Alright! Alright, thank you so much, Eli. Ayan, sa iyong inawit na wonderful tonight. And then, syempre, bye-bye. Don't forget to follow ang aming page sa Kaput Vlog TV. And syempre, si Olay, Julie. Ayan, Jolie, pakipollow niyo rin si Jolie. Ayan. So, wala si Ate Mai, and then si Tien, at syempre si Pinuno. So, kami lang. So, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.